Happening today, the University of South Florida's medical school could make a big move from campus to downtown Tampa. Melissa Beckman is live at the proposed site at Meridian Avenue and Channelside Drive. So, Melissa, this could have a tremendous economic impact on the area.
Good morning, Gail. It absolutely could. Lightning owner Jeff Vinnick has huge redevelopment plans for this area, part of which includes health care. Vinnick recently donated a piece of this prime property here near the Amalie Arena to USF. And in just a few hours, the university's Board of Trustees will decide if they want to use it for their new College of Medicine. The Board of Trustees already approved funding to build this 12-story Morsani College of Medicine building. It would cost upwards of $150 million. Today, the issue is exactly where to put it. Vinnick donated this 1-acre property to USF with hopes the med school could spur healthcare companies to relocate to downtown Tampa. Today, the Board of Trustees will decide if its 5-year capital improvement plan should be amended to reflect this new location. Now, if the location change is approved, the Florida Board of Governors would still need to approve USF's plan in January. Today's meeting starts at 9:30, and of course, Gail, we'll let you know what happens later today.
You know, it's just tremendous. One man, Jeff Vinnick, coming to our community, and he's so forward-thinking, and the changes that are already happening in downtown Tampa, very exciting. Thank you, Melissa.